The way that starter sound, it shouldn't even sound like that. I never had for it to sound like that, Dave.
I know that, but you're supposed to throw off. That's what. Now I got to drill that motherfucker out. Half that shit won't drill.
And then, you know.
Half that shit ain't drilling out.
See, I already got a video. I checked this here before I left, right? My oil, it ain't even on the level that it was on my stick.
We ain't do nothing to oil.
Huh?
We ain't do nothing to the oil. We ain't touched that oil.
Look, now, I come back to the shop. My oil level on my stick
We ain't touched the oil, though.
is low.
We ain't touched no oil. Why would I want to take the oil for? Huh? No.
All right, let's lift it up. Let me see. Let me lift.
I ain't going back.
Let me lift it up. Let me see.
I got to go with my old lady. You like, no, I can drill that thing all the way out. Like that.
Hey, Tom. Tommy, the man of the shop. He the owner of the shop. This is an employee right here. Dave is the employee. Hey, man.
Wait some more. I'm going to drill that thing all the way out. Oh, you're going to lock it up with that. You're going to lock the engine up with that stuff. That's it, lock the flap up.
That's just spray too much.
Huh?
That's if you flood them out.
No, you lock the engine up with stuff. That's what it makes for stuff.
Yeah, like I'm stupid.
No, I ain't say that.
You don't know me that. You don't know me that well.
Say that.
But I'm telling you something. I know something about cars. It ain't what you.
I'm going to take that thing off and do it all the way out.
You done told me to go get lunch. You told me to leave. My truck flooded, man. It flooded. Nah, y'all, you flooded.
I'm going to go. I got to go.
Alright, let me check off. Let me see. If you would, lift it up. Let me see what's up on here.
Well, I'm going to take the stove off. I ain't going back there. I'm going to take that to it all the way out.
Huh?
Do it all the way out. I'm going back. I got to go. That's tomorrow. Call me tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, it's ready. Okay. Hey, you want to take that? Let me take that battery cable loose.